EIT Health Campus, the educational program of EIT Health, provides up-to-date knowledge, skills, and attitudes to help turn the brightest learners into healthcare leaders who will shape the future of Europe's health. Embedding innovation in education early is one of the ways we do this. Our iDays are a great opportunity, open to all undergraduate and postgraduate students interested in healthcare innovation. You do not need any existing training or knowledge, just enthusiasm. We include students from a range of academic backgrounds to try and create the most diverse and talented teams. At an Innovation Day, you will hear inspirational speakers describe their journey in innovation and entrepreneurship and get the chance to interact with healthcare professionals. In 1 or 2 day events, you and your team will be challenged with a real healthcare problem and then receive design thinking training and pitch coaching to develop a solution. You will interact with expert citizens or patients to develop your ideas and then pitch to a respected panel of judges. 3 teams will win prizes, and the first prize team will also win an invitation to the EIT Health Innovation Day Winners event hosted in Paris on the 1st of December, with travel and accommodations paid for. Gain new soft skills, explore practical training, and great networking opportunities by attending one of the 31 Innovation Days happening across Europe this year between the 10th of October and the 16th of November. Find your nearest Innovation Day and start your journey as a healthcare innovator. iDays.ehealth.eu. Contact philippos.philippides@eithealth.eu. EIT Health is a European-wide network of health innovators backed by the European Union.